Hello, I'm in a 2013 Buick Enclave, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first start your vehicle and make sure it's all on. And then from your home menu here, you'll see that it's blacked out here. So we're going to have to get through settings. And then Bluetooth device list, we'll click here. And then here, there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first before you can add a new one, but we'll hit new device. And now make sure Bluetooth's on your device, which is that symbol, and often if you press and hold, that'll pull you to a pairing menu. So there's Buick Enclave. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to come up, or restart your phone a few times, but it has these random numbers that do match. So we confirm that, confirmed on this end, and now it's successfully paired. And then if you need to delete one, you can just delete it here to make room. Yep, now all that's done. You can see that your phone's lit up now. And then through sources, if you click through source, you can get to your Bluetooth music. So here you can play music and things from your phone. Newer models, sometimes you can sync up maps and things like that as well. And then for all these, when your Bluetooth's connected, you can take phone calls, messages, things like that. And then if you're having issues with it actually playing once you're on this screen, double check that your volume's on your phone, as well as the volume's on your device. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.